You are applying to hundreds of job posts on job portals and not getting any callbacks. Your resume is not getting shortlisted at all. If that's the case, the one of the reason could be your resume is not passing through ATS, applicants tracking system. Did you know that? That you are up against an algorithm before your resume reaches a human recruiter. If you didn't and you don't know how to make a resume for that, watch this video till the end. We are in this day 2 of 5-day resume challenge. Now here we go. Okay, you are watching day 2 of 5-day resume challenge. We have already covered how to make your resume a magnet, attracting opportunities. If you haven't seen that video and haven't completed the assignments, you will see the link below this video. Go and watch that video first and then come back to this video. Today, we'll cover how to make your resume pass through the ATS. Later, we'll cover how to convince the employer, then how to write a powerful summary, and then typical mistakes to avoid in resume. So after these 5 days, your resume will be really to the next level, all set for getting shortlisted. All right. Now let's see how to make your resume pass through the ATS. You got to understand, ATS is an algorithm. It's applicants tracking system. It's a system which helps HR recruiters to manage their work efficiently. What ATS does, it scans through hundreds and thousands of resumes in no time. It parses the information, saves it in a database, and now modern ATS systems can also rank resumes in the way it has been programmed. What a recruiter and hiring managers do, they put keywords in the ATS and they take these keywords from the job description. So the idea here is, if your resume doesn't have those keywords, ATS will be able to parse the information but will not rank your resume in the top few. Just like Google SEO works, your resume has to have that ACO, right? The second thing is your resume has to have a good suitable format for ATS. Now in this video, I'll not cover the format part of it. We have all that in the 5th video. Today, we'll cover how to make your resume has those keywords so that it can pass the pehla padav in Kaun Banega Crorepati lingo, right? So let's now understand how to find keywords from the job description and then put them inside your resume. You may ask that if I'm not applying to a one particular job description, but many, how do I do that? What you can do is that identify one role which you are applying for in, let's say, 5-10 companies. Take some good job descriptions. Good means well written job descriptions from 5-10 companies and then analyze those to make this process. Now I'll show you how to make your resume ATS friendly. Now let me go back to my screen. See, I've just typed financial analyst as a role on Naukri. All right, these are random job descriptions I'm getting. Now I clicked on the first and I go here. Or the second, I've got senior analyst finance operations from eClerx. Suppose you want to apply for this job description. What do you do to identify keywords? First of all, read through the job description in your first reading. Identify whether it's matching with what you want to do, what you have done in the past, and whether you really would like to apply and go deep in it. If yes, Then only go again back to the job description, read through it line by line. All right, read through everything and see what are those things they are asking for. For example, I see Excel here, VBA here. I see that role is financial analyst. I see key skills of Excel, finance operations, VBA, delivery management, PowerPoint, communication skills. So even through the cursory reading, and if you read through it in detail, you will already find what is recruiter and hiring managers looking for from this resume, right? And they will program ATS in a similar way. Now I will show you a hack to go even one step next. What I'll do, I'll copy this job description, only the job description part, all right, not the about company part. And now you can do this for any job portal, Monster, LinkedIn, whatever. I will go to a website or a tool called as stackcrowd.com. It's a simple tool, okay? You don't have to really bother about this. It's a simple tool. And I will paste the job description here. And I think it's not getting copied that well. So I'll make sure it's been copied correctly. All right. So now I have the job description here. See what I'm getting. I'm getting a word cloud. All right. I'm getting a word cloud. If you don't know what is word cloud, see, management word is being highlighted, or it's the biggest because this word is getting repeated in the job description again and again, maximum number of times. Same is the skills, same is team, all right, same is communication, excellent, client, ability, financial, experience, expertise. So these are the keywords which are getting repeated again and again. All right. Now, some of these keywords independently do not make any sense. For example, management means what? Or communication means what? Client means what, right? So, what you can do, you can go back to the job description and now search for management here and then go in depth to identify what do they mean by management. So, if I just find management here, I will find process management. Okay. I'll find management training courses, management of e-clerks operations team, delivery management, knowledge management, change management, process management. This is where management is word. Management word is getting repeated. So now your keyword list has been started, right? Process management, change management, delivery management, knowledge management are the keywords they are looking for. You can even search for, let's say, change management. Is it getting repeated again and again? No. But you can search for process management. It's getting repeated twice. Again, in e-clerks also it is getting repeated. Now you can search for communication, which was another keyword which was getting repeated again and again, right? See, communication skills, proven communication skills, excellent presentation skills, again communication skills. It means that they are giving a lot of weightage for your communication skills. Now let's see what, because another keyword was client. See, client personnel plus interaction. So client interactions, best practices across diverse clients, client escalations, handle clients. All they mean to say is that you got to know how to handle and how to manage, how to interact with clients. Got it? Now we have identified many such keywords. Now go back to your resume. If you have done this in the past, don't lie, all right? If you have done similar things in the past, but you haven't written your experience section, your summary in this way, make sure you're using these keywords there. Now, in later videos, I'll explain how to write experience and summary sections. But now at least identify those keywords and which keywords you have already done similar work in the past, but you might not be writing in that way. All right. You mean the same thing probably when you have written experience section and skills section, but this particular company is identifying certain keywords. Unless they match with what you have written, ATS will not pass through. Got it? So ATS is essentially looking for those particular keywords which are getting repeated, or those are getting programmed already in the system. Make sure you are writing those keywords, and if some keywords are repeated, top keywords you can repeat in your resume again and again. Repeat means not one after the other, one in summary, again in experience section, again in skills, again in another experience bullet point. You got the point? So this is the way to make sure your resume has those keywords to pass through ATS. I can show you one more example. Now I have taken another job description, supply chain, right? Say I've got this one, senior manager supply chain. What I'll do, I'll follow the same process. I'll copy paste these things and I'll go to tag crowd again. Again, I'll check whether it's getting copied correctly. These words are important, right? Somehow it is not getting copied correctly. So all right, I'll say visualize. Wow, see, this job description has many keywords which are getting repeated many times. See, department, electronics, freight, logistics, procurement, supply has been repeated multiple times. Warehouse, customer, supply chain probably could be the word, right? So you can go back to job description and now really search. So if I type supply, it is getting supply chain, supply chain, supply chain, supply chain. Now you will say, oh, I know supply chain. Make sure you are using the same keyword. Sometimes it happens that in your past company, or your lingo is not matching with their words. Make sure you use their words. Okay, so make sure you use similar words. Now suppose I type pride, it was getting repeated also. Yeah, so freight forwards, freight terms, freight in, freight consolidation, you got to have these keywords at least sometimes in your job description, right? Now another one could be department or agreements or procurement. All right, so let's see what is procurement. Okay, procurement department, sourcing and procurements and supply chain, and key skills as well. So make sure in your key skills as well there is a procurement, and in experience section you will say that I have worked in procurement section, right? You will include that keyword in the experience section. Did you get this? Do you think your resume has those keywords? If not, go back. All right, go back to your resume, check job descriptions you are applying for. If you are not applying for one job description but you are applying for many, sorry, that role in many companies, take 5 6 job description, identify which are getting repeated, so that you can make one resume for those type of things. Now if you are applying for totally different roles, make sure you make different resumes for different job description, so that one resume will have keywords of job description type 1, second resume will have keywords of job description type 2. All right, you might not be doing all this. That's the reason your resume is not passing through the ATS, and it is not getting read by the human, right? And that's why you are not getting interview calls. Got it? So make sure you implement all this right after watching this video, and do check the description below. I'll be posting more links for your help. Okay, so immediately implement these things, and then I will see you on day 3. Bye bye.